All right, Facebook land, it's Sales Manager Mike here at Gail's Harley-Davidson. We've got some new recruits for the pre-owned inventory. They'll be up on the website later today. We're lining them up to get pictures. Just wanted to give you a preview of what we've got. There's a Screaming Eagle Ultra there. There is a limited lowrider, a Sportster 48. I think that bike has less than 200 miles on it. There is a deluxe with the custom paint set, an 883 low, a 2016 FLH TCU TG Tri-Glide, super low mileage, under 1,500 miles on that bike. There's a Screaming Eagle Street Glide in the black color, great looking bike there. And then another limited. All these bikes will be up on the website later today. Come see me. My name is Sales Manager Mike.
And now open 7 days a week.
Feel the power at Gail's Harley-Davidson.